Listen. I might when I get enough, when I get enough, when I look up.
Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. And on today's video we are going to recap my 2021 and also the plans that I have for 2022. I don't really think you have to wait until the new year to do these goals. I really hate that. Let's start off with the notary business. So I started my notary journey in August. That took a while to really get in, finish and get certified and take classes and all of that. Then I was on pause because I didn't have a printer. Trying to think that I can do this with somehow no printer, not knowing that I can't. And it was gonna cost me way more to like go to FedEx or something and print these documents out every time I got a job. So the notary journey is still in motion. Let's just say that. I did get my printer. I have to go and get it from my mom's house, and I'll do an unboxing video on that. Wig making. So wig making did me pretty good this year. But I don't know if I want to continue to do wigs, to be honest. I'm not sure. I do eventually want to get back into a salon, but I do want it to be mine, and not just a regular salon. I do want to open up a suite. If you don't know what a suite is where you have this building with different salons inside. So that's what I want, but they are all their own businesses. So that's something that I want to do. That's why I think I may end up taking a break from hair altogether in 2022, for the most part, and focus on other quicker, easier streams of income. Like me being a content creator, I really want to make that into something to where financially it will bring in a certain amount of money every month for me. So that's something that I may be putting to the side just for a while. Me understanding that you have to have some kind of, not that I didn't have, but my relationship with money has to elevate. I did pretty good in 2021. I could have did extremely better. So my relationship with money in 2021 was okay, but I do want to elevate that relationship with money in 2022 for sure. That's why I'm doing the 6-month non-unnecessary spending. I will not be doing. I'm not buying any more clothes. I'm not buying anything right now. For my goal is 6 months, but I know I'm gonna have to start buying stuff probably in about 4 or 5 months, because it's gonna start getting warmer and I have to get things for my daughter. But even then, by the time that time comes, I should be at a very great point as far as my savings is concerned, and things that I'm trying to do financially that has nothing to do with buying anything, just saving. Being consistent on YouTube. I have been consistent on YouTube for a while, but the consistency didn't match my views in 2021, and it was because of me not knowing how to do the things on the back end, like tags and stuff like that, to really grow my channel. Because I've been on YouTube for so long, I feel like my channel is not it can't go forward, but I don't want to think like that, and I really don't want to make another channel. I really don't want to have to. I think eventually I am for certain things, but I do just want to transition my YouTube channel, which I'll get into in a sec here. So being consistent, I have been consistent, and that was something that I wanted to do in 2021, but now it's like really focusing and honing in on my content, what I really want to post about, being more conscious of what I'm posting, and also like the back end work, tags and keywords and things like that, putting that into place. Because since I started, my last few videos had did pretty well, and then I went back to change some other videos, and they're starting to do a little bit better. So I have to focus on that. Being a content creator, just honing in on really what I want to talk about and what I want to post about, and how I see myself later. I need to start doing those things now. So my equipment is gonna be upgraded in 2022. Hopefully I'm going to be moving in 2022, hopefully, if I do what I'm supposed to do. So yeah, and then also for my YouTube channel, I am still going to do beauty videos, but it's going to be incorporated with me probably doing loan signings. So you guys are going to see that in vlogs and things like that. I think I'm going to go towards vlogging once I really start doing my notary work, because I will be leaving my home. And then me taking pictures outside. I have to push myself in 2022 to take more photos outside. So that's a goal of mine as well for 2022, is to make more content outside, to get a new look going for my content. Being growth as a mom, I feel like the growth that we want in our life and things we want to happen, the material things we want, which is all fine, I'm not knocking it, but my growth as a mom, I want to continue to really focus on how I see myself as a mom, just like how I see myself business wise, financially, as a daughter. Also, I need to start doing those things now. I'm good for asking my daughter, like, how am I as a mom? I'm good for asking her that. I may not tweak the things she said I may need to tweak right then and there, but I also always have it in my mind, and I continue to ask because she has her own mind. She has her mind of what she sees me as, that can get her, I don't want to say through life because she's so young, but things she needs from me now at her age. So I'm trying to be a little bit more open and intentional with those. Also, these last two things, I'm going to put them together. Showing up as I want to be, as I see myself, like I stated earlier, as I see myself in the future, showing up that way now. So presenting myself a certain way, how I look every day for most of the, the days. We all have our moments where we're not going to look our best all the time, but trying my best to show up how I see myself later. And this includes me losing weight. So I know that I'm going to see I see myself a certain weight as well, so I can show up in my clothes and fashion how I want to be. So me losing weight most definitely is, I guess you would say, to some people it may be vague, because it is so I can show up how I want to look on the outside. It is. And also feeling good on the inside. Not being tired going upstairs and just the regular stuff. And I also know I've been doing pretty good on what I'm putting in my body, except for the last 2 months, because of course it's been the holiday. So, but I know I have to get back on that track. So showing up for myself every day, and as far as me being more healthy and losing weight. So that's like my recap for 2021. Everything in 2021 will continue to elevate in 2022. Basically, Nothing's really going to change but my pockets and hopefully where I live, and also hopefully my vehicle. You can do a lot within a year, so I'm trying to really be intentional about the decisions and choices that I'm making more in 2022, where I wasn't in 2021. Those are like the only few things, but other than that, I think I'm growing every single year. And 2021 was another year that I know I grown mentally, for the better. So that's like my recap and what I'm going to be doing for this new year coming up and beyond. You guys let me know some goals that you guys are going to be doing for the new year, just to elevate yourself, just to get somewhere financially, just growth as far as your mental health, maybe you being a parent or becoming a parent, your relationship with your parent or parents, and your relationship maybe with your siblings or something like that. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them down below.
When I get